Today, I will tell you one simple truth. Anyone can learn English fast. You don't need big books, you don't need hard grammar. You only need the right method and a little practice every day. So relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Your English journey starts now. A positive mindset. First, you need the right mindset. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a sign that you are learning. Every English speaker in the world made mistakes. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own speed. Just focus on own thing. Be better than yesterday. And most important, make English fun. Watch what you enjoy. Listen to what makes you happy. When English feels easy and fun, you learn faster. Listening the fastest way to learn. The fastest method to learn English is listening. Just like a child learns a language, you also learn by listening first. Listen to simple stories. Listen to easy conversations. Listen to slow English videos. Even 15 minutes a day can change your English. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen. Your brain will automatically learn the sounds, the patterns, and the structure of English. Speak English every day. Now let's talk about speaking. To speak English fast, you must speak every day. Even if you speak alone, even if it's only for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about what you see around you. And use the mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk like you are talking to someone else. This builds confidence and remove fears. Recording your voice also helps. Record 1 minute daily, every week. You will hear the difference. Only learn basic grammar. You do not need difficult grammar to speak English. You only need basic tenses, present, past, future. Use simple examples like I go, I am going, I went, I will go. That's enough to communicate. Speak first. Grammar will fix itself slowly. A smart vocabulary learning. Don't try to memorize long word lists. Instead, learn 10 simple words every day with example sentences. For example, instead of learning the word suggest, learn a sentence like he suggested a new idea. And learn phrases, not single words. Phrases help you speak fast. Useful phrases like I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please give me 1 minute. Reading practice. Read every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Start with simple stories, short news articles, easy English books. Read slowly. Read clearly. Read aloud if you can. Reading aloud improves pronunciation. Written practice. Written helps your brain think in English. Every day write 5 simple sentences. Write about your day. Write new words. Write small paragraphs. This builds fluency and clear thinking. Learn with movies. Movies and series help you learn natural English. Watch with English subtitles. Listen carefully. Repeat interesting lines. Make English part of your life. Change small habits and English will become natural for you. Use English on your phone. Think in English. Write notes in English. Watch English content. Your environment should be English. This makes you learn faster without effort. Remove fear of speaking. Most people understand English, but they cannot speak. Not because they are weak, but because they are scared. So remember this, you don't need perfect grammar to speak. You only need confidence. speak slowly, speak simply, and speak daily. Daily 2 hour routine. Here is a simple 2 hour routine that can make you fluent every fast. 30 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 20 minutes reading, 20 minutes vocabulary, 20 minutes writing. Follow this for 1 month. You will see a big change. Avoid these mistakes. Do not translate every sentence. Do not memorize too much grammar. Do not wait for the perfect moment to speak. Do not fear mistakes. English becomes easy when you use it, not when you only study it. Think in English. This is the most powerful technique. Think in English. Start with small thoughts like I am tired. I need water. This is good. I will go now. Thinking in English makes speaking fast and natural. Practice real life English. Learn English you will use in real life. Shopping, ordering food, asking questions, talking to friends, working, traveling. Real English is better than textbook English. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is amazing for fluency. Play a small clip and repeat along with the speaker. Copy their tone and rhythm. This improves pronunciation quickly. Stay motivated. Celebrate small wins. You spoke more today, good. You learned new words, great. You understood a video, amazing. A small steps create big results. Don't stop, don't give up. You are improving every day. Create an English environment around you. To learn English fast, you must create a small English word. You must create a small English world around yourself. Don't wait for a big classroom. Don't wait for a teacher. Your environment is your teacher. Start slowly. Change your phone language to English. Change your YouTube recommendation to English. Follow English page. Watch English reels. Read English captions. When you surround yourself with English, your brain becomes familiar with it. The words feel natural. The sentences feel normal. And speaking becomes easy. Use English then you think. Thinking in English is the biggest shortcut to fluency. Because then your thoughts change. Your speaking changes. Start with small thoughts, simple thoughts, everyday thoughts like I need to get ready. I am feeling sleepy. I want to drink tea. I will call my friend. Soon your mind will automatically use English. And when your mind speaks English, your mouth will speak English without fear. Practice English in real situations. Books help you understand, but real life helps you speak. Practice English in real moments. When you order food, when you ask for directions, when you shop, when you talk to your friends, even then you argue or joke. Use simple English everywhere. The more you use English in real life, the faster you become natural and confident. Use technique to improve faster. We live in a world where you have unlimited English tools right inside your phone. Use them. Because technology makes learning much faster. You can use translation apps, dictionary apps with audio pronunciation, AI practice apps, English speaking booths, and online conversation groups. Record your voice. Listen to your mistakes. Try again. Every day you will improve a little more. Build small everyday English habits. Big results come from small habits. Tiny steps done daily. Bring powerful change. Here are some simple habits that work. Read on paragraph every morning. Speak on minute every afternoon. Listen to 10 minutes every evening. Learn 5 new words at night. These tiny habits take only 5 minutes, but they compound over time. And one day you will see that your English is completely transformed. Remove translation from your mind. Many learners translate every sentence in their mind. This makes a speaking slow and stressful. To speak fast, you must stop translating. How do you do that? By using English words directly. When you think or speak, for example, instead of thinking, I need water, just think in English from the start. I need water. This single change can speed up your English more than anything else. Learn expressions, not rules. Real English is full of expressions, short, natural, common expressions that people use every day. Expressions like what's going on? That that sounds good. Take your time. No problem. It's up to you. Learning these gives you natural fluency without needing grammar rules. Expressions are like shortcuts to speaking. They make you sound real and confident. Understand that English has rhythm. English is not just words, it has rhythm. A music, a flow. When you speak slowly and clearly, you catch the rhythm. Listen to native speakers. Notice how they stretch some words and shorten others. Try to copy the rhythm, not the accent. Your natural accent is okay. Just match the flow. This makes your speaking a smooth, clean, and easy to understand. Stop waiting for confidence. Practice creates confidence. Many people wait for confidence before speaking, but confidence does not come first. Practice comes first, and confidence grows slowly with every word you speak. Even if your English is broken, even if your sentences are simple, speak anyway. Every time you speak, your fear becomes smaller and your fluency becomes bigger. Don't study too hard, study smart. Learning English fast does not mean studying for hours. It means studying smart, short seasons, focused practice, daily repetition, realistic goals. This is the secret. No pressure, not memorization, but smart, consistent practice. Celebrate your progress. Every time you learn a new word, celebrate. Every time you understand a video, celebrate. Every time you speak without fear, celebrate. A small victorious matter because small victorious create motivation, and motivation makes you unsto- unstoppable. Your English future. If you follow these steps, English will not remain a subject. It will become a natural part of your life. You will think in English, you will speak in English, you will understand English, and one day you will realize you don't struggle anymore. That day is not far, it is coming. Because you are trying, you are learning, you are improving every day. And if you keep going, nobody can stop your English, not even you. Stay connected with English every day. If you really want fast improvement, you must stay connected with English daily. Connection means you listen a little, you read a little, you speak a little, and you learn a little every single day. Even 5 minutes of daily contact is stronger than 2 hours on a week. Your brain learns faster when English stays close to you all day. Use English in real life situation. Fast learning happens when you use English in real life. Try these small actions. Speak in English while ordering food. Try English when you introduce yourself. Say small English lines when you meet someone. Use English while writing notes or reminders. Think in English when you plan your day. These are small real life moments. Build natural fluency faster than any book or course. Learn from your surroundings. English is everywhere. On boards, on labels, in songs, in reels, in apps. Whenever you see a word, pause for a second. Try to understand it and try to make a sentence with it. This simple strategy turns your whole environment into a learning classroom. You learn without pressure. You learn without stress. You learn naturally. Improve your pronunciation slowly. Good pronunciation makes English clear. But you don't need a perfect accent. You only need clear words. Practice with small steps. Listen to a line. Repeat slowly. Break the hard words. Practice the sound, not the speed. Slow practice builds fast confidence. One day your words will sound clear without any extra effort. Learn English through your interests. If you learn English through things you love, you absorb knowledge faster. If you like tech, watch tech English videos. If you like motivation, listen to English motivation. If you like cooking, follow English cooking reels. If you like fitness, follow English fitness creators. When English meets your interest, you learn double speed. Read short English every day. Reading is fuel for English. Read small things, short stories, quotes, quotes, captions, little news, simple blogs, easy English books. A small reading builds big vocabulary, and big vocabulary builds fast fluency. Reading 10 minutes a day can change your English forever. Use the speak, think, speak technique. Here is a powerful method for fast fluency. First, speak a small English sentence. Then think about it for 2 records. Then think about it for 2 seconds. Then speak it again, a little better than before. Example, I will try. Think, I will try again tomorrow. This simple technique push your brain to grow and speak better. A step by step. Stay patient, stay positive. Stay patient, stay positive. English is not a race, it is a journey. Some days you learn fast, some days you learn slow. Both are normal. What matters is consistency. If you stay positive, your English will grow naturally. Progress is always happening. Even then, you don't notice it. And now, listen carefully because this is the moment that can change your English forever. English is not waiting for the perfect day. English is waiting for you. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when I get time. Right now, this moment, this breath, this decision. Your fluency starts the second you say to yourself, yes, I will not stop now. Imagine yourself after 30 days, speaking confidently, understanding everything, using English without fear, and people asking you, how did you improve so fast? And you will smile and say, I just start and I never stopped. This is not just an ending of a topic. This is beginning of a new version of you. A version who learns faster, speaks better, and grows every single day. So take a deep breath, stand tall, and step into your English journey with confidence, with courage, and with a strong heart. Because the world is waiting to hear your voice in English. This is not the end, this is your beginning. So friends, thanks for watching the full video.